It's just funny. Like
it is funny.
It adds another layer of humor because like imagine someone turning around like, why is she not saying the lines?
So today we're going to present straight up facts, and actually these facts are all related to Hindi comedy TV shows. Because we did a podcast about it, and that damn fucking interesting. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna present one fact each, and then we're gonna rate the fact that is presented to us about out of 10.
Yeah, out of 10.
Out of 10.
Yeah, and
Cool.
obviously this is our rating, so
Yeah.
you guys should also rate the facts, like
Please
what
do.
surprised you and like what was
What you didn't
interesting
know,
to
वगैरह.
you. Yeah.
Okay. So who wants to go first?
You go first.
Okay, me first. Okay, so if you've seen the podcast, I am a huge Sara vs. Sarabhai fan, right? So most of my facts come from there.
I figured there'd be a lot of Sarabhai versus Sarabhai.
Because I'm like, ये मेरे को पढ़ना नहीं है. ये तो मुझे पता है. So dude, actually, you know what? Sara vs. Sarabhai, the first fact that I'm presenting to you is Sara vs. Sarabhai has featured in the top 50 shows in the world. And not like 50th or whatever. Somewhere in the middle. Like always between 20 and 30 for 8 times running.
Wow. 8 years matlab annually.
Yeah, annually 8 years. Sara vs. Sarabhai was somewhere in the middle, like around 2025 of the greatest comedy TV shows in the world.
I did not know this, dude. This is wild.
It is insane.
Shit. I thought it must be in the top, like in India, but I wasn't aware of the world.
No, it is in the world. And in India, actually, it is rated higher than Friends.
That's fair though. Friends, come on. That's very
like
fair.
win. Why is there no Sara vs. Sarabhai merchandise then? Is my question to the world.
That's true.
I would fucking buy the whole collection. I will give you design ideas if anyone's ready to do it.
T-shirts and stuff.
Yes.
वो तो है ही. I think this was a good 7 on 10.
My
I
God.
think it was definitely.
Strong start. Strong start.
So my fact is from an old show.
Okay.
My fact is related to Dekh Bhai Dekh. ठीक है.
Okay.
So
Shekhar Suman wala.
Yeah, Shekhar Suman wala. So उसमें there was this lady, Sunta Diwan. I don't know, like one of the ladies and one of the actresses.
We'll put a photo up.
Yes, and she played Bhavna in the show.
Okay.
And apparently, Dekh Bhai Dekh का जो director था, he was such a hard ass that she used to fucking faint on the set all the time. Like, people used to say their cue and they used to turn around and she was on the ground. This had happened many, many times.
It's a comedy show, dude. Like, relax, people. It's fine. There's room for improv. You don't need to faint.
Oh my god.
Unless that started as like a, what do you say, a trope.
Trope, yeah.
And it just didn't make it to the show. So they were like, अरे इसको ये content कहाँ तुम्हें use करना है ना? चलो fact डालते कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई तो बात करेगा, which is true. I would actually give that 8 on 10.
Arey dude, it's just funny. Like
it is funny
it adds
because-
another layer of humor because like
Exactly.
imagine someone turning around like,
Action,
why is she
boom.
not saying the lines?
I am going to take a little deviation from Sarabhai and then immediately come back to the next fact. Okay, so I'm going to take a little deviation. Okay, so this fact I'm going to present in terms of a question. Okay. Which Indian TV show, Indian comedy TV show of all time, do you think has the highest rating on IMDb? And what do you think is the rating?
So obviously, based on your earlier fact, I would think Sarabhai versus Sarabhai. But considering you asked this question, it is not Sarabhai.
No, it is not. Sara vs. Sarabhai is a close second though.
Okay.
Very close second.
Okay.
So it's actually Flop Show by
Oh,
Jaspal
okay.
Bhatti and it's
Okay.
got a rating of 9
Oh, on 10?
Yeah.
What the hell?
on IMDb.
That dude was killing it.
Jaspal Bhatti, you know what? What even more startling fact? Flop Show only had 10 episodes. Only 10.
This is how you should be making series, guys.
It's a limited. It's
should be
actually a mini
limited
series, dude.
Don't make it. Don't overdo it. That's it.
Just the fun facts. Mr. Bean, जो अपने को लगा ऐसा 7.5 साल के लिए चल रहा है, उसके भी कुछ 15 ही एपिसोड.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah. Mr. Bean was
I
also
think
very limited to like
Mr.
15.
Bean feels like it ran for 150 episodes. It just kept going.
7 years minimum, but उसके 15 episode है. The same thing.
Wait, but in 7 years only 15 episodes.
They should just keep rerunning
Oh.
them. That's it. And we
See,
used to
that
think,
was
oh my
smart.
god, there's
That
so
was
much.
smart. See, they should rerun Flop Show
Yeah,
on something.
they should.
Like, I know it's on the internet, but still. That was a good one. 8 on 10.
Yeah.
8 on 10.
Actually, Sarabhai vs. Sarabhai is a close second with a rating of 8.8.
Oh.
So it's very close.
Very close. Point 2. So my next one is about Hum Paanch.
Okay.
Which I feel like was again very interesting to me because I had completely ignored this entire
I swear,
thing.
dude, we didn't speak about
Yeah,
Hum
we
Paanch
didn't
at all.
speak about Hum Paanch in the thing, but I
Yeah.
also think that we have spoken about it a lot in
In
person
general,
in
yeah.
general. So and it was Ekta Kapoor's first
Correct.
show. plug in the Ekta Kapoor episode.
It'll be here somewhere.
So basically, in Hum Paanch Dude, I did not realize this, but they never named his first wife only.
Wait, wasn't
उसका
it
नाम ही नहीं था.
his...
The dead woman.
हाँ?
उसका नाम ही नहीं था.
Hey, why do I think her name is Sunita then? Did I just assume it for the rest of my life?
His second wife's name is Beena, the one who he marries and he brings
Wait,
into the house.
I thought the first wife was Sunita, dude. I swear.
And her real name is Priya Tendulkar. So everyone used to call her that only, like the actress.
मैं कौन सी दुनिया में रहता हूँ? This is 9 on 10 for me because मैं तो सुनीता में जी रहा था भाई. कहाँ से तो?
We'll find out actually if he ever called her Sunita by accident and then it just stuck. Can you imagine? अरे इसको नाम ही नहीं दिया. अरे सुनीता सुनते हो?
But this is my last fact that I'm presenting. It's again related to Sarabhai Se Sarabhai, but with khichdi as well.
Okay.
Right? So the first half of the fact, Damshara said that. So the first half is, so khichdi and Sarabhai Se Sarabhai are made by the same production house.
Okay.
They're both heads of productions,
It's
right?
not very surprising.
It's not because most of the cast and all that is same,
Haan,
right?
plus it's Gujju families. Like I feel like that's very telling.
Yeah, it was just two opposites of a Gujju family.
Yeah.
Like one is very rural, one is very posh, right? So they decided to do a crossover episode.
Okay.
Okay. This is in Sarabhai Se Sarabhai. It's called World Family Day episode.
Okay.
भाई मेरे को बहुत पता है. मैं इतनी बार देख लिया
She knows the name of the episode.
It's
Who
called
pays attention
World
to that?
Family Day. Okay. And in that they show that Maya Sarabhai is cousins with Hansa.
Okay.
Right? So Maya is played by Ratna Bhatak and
Supriya Bhatak is Hansa.
Supriya Bhatak is Hansa.
I like that.
They are actually siblings in real life, and in the show they are shown as cousins, and that's how they did the crossover episode.
Damn. That's pretty cool.
I like fuck some Inception shit.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that was.
And I like both the shows, so it's it's a very good amalgamation.
Yeah, but that's a good episode also.
Yeah. So actually, I know this would be like this I knew because I've seen that episode, but. I give it a 9 on 10 because I just love this.
Yeah,
I love that
really
they did
good,
it.
They are like करना है.
I love that they committed.
They could have chosen any character, but they're like नहीं, real बहनों को हम cousin के show में दिखाएंगे.
And she's embarrassed about her, right?
Yeah,
Like,
she is. In the beginning, she is. Because apparently, as the trope goes, Hansa and Praful are supposed to be these crazy people. And so it's better that they maintain distance.
Got it.
Like that.
Damn. Third fact from my side.
Yes.
So this is my last fact, and I thought this would interest you particularly because I know like you like this person a lot. So when we were ekdam in the early stages of Indian sitcoms, there was this one sitcom called Ye Jo Hai Zindagi, right? So it was just about a married couple and like their whatever, and the girl's brother lives with them, and all those shenanigans.
Ye jo hai zindagi.
Correct. And dude, Satish Shah was in the show.
Yes.
But in this show, in every episode, from episode 1 to 54, he played a different person.
What? In every
episode, he played a different person.
Wow.
And his role was such that he played a pivotal part in the story of that episode.
Climax में हमेशा रहेगा.
हाँ, मतलब one day he'll be a Sardar, one day he'll be a Muslim dude.
Wow.
So basically, the entire of Ye Jo Hai Zindagi, first episode to 54th episode, was literally Satisha's demo reel.
Nice. It's Satisha as miscellaneous.
Exactly. And because of this, from 1986 to 1988-89, he was like the king of Indian comedy. Because of
Makes
this
sense, dude.
show.
I really like him. I genuinely do. Actually, I do have another bonus fact. So, of all the TV shows, right? From yesteryear to now, there is only one TV show that has been made into a feature film.
I know this.
And that is Khichdi the movie. And actually, it's again produced by Hats Off only. But they were planning to make a Sarabhai Se Sarabhai movie before they made Sarabhai Se Sarabhai Take 2.
Got it.
And I don't know how I feel about that, honestly.
Yeah.
Because I'm like, you know what? It's good as a show. I don't know how it will do as a movie.
I feel like they should have made season 2 better.
Yeah,
Instead
they
of
should.
concentrating on that movie stuff.
Yeah, that's true.
I just feel like it kind of...
But man, Khichdi the movie. I don't know how many podcasts you said this in.
1,000,000% recommend.
It's amazing.
Khichdi the movie is amazing. thing. Also, dude, another fact about Khichdi is that Khichdi was the only Indian TV show that actually was made into seasons. Like
Yeah.
everything was just one large season. But Khichdi
Everything was
was
just
like, you know
episodes.
what? This is the next season. It's called Instant Khichdi.
Wow,
It's like
nice.
that. Yeah, it's damn cool.
And then, of course, Sarabas to Sarabhai
Khichdi
follows
is
suit.
like making world history.
Khichdi is killer, dude. Okay. So if you like this and you want to know more about
Hey, you
Hindi,
didn't rate my last one.
I'm so sorry. I forgot. Your Satisha वाला मैं बस वो romanticism में घुस गया मैं. Actually, Satisha, I'll give 10 out of 10. Dude.
Yeah.
Dude, because I'll tell you what, one, it is impressive that he did 54 different roles. I love the fact that in the credits it's always come this person as miscellaneous.
This person is there in the show.
As miscellaneous is my favorite. So मेरे लिए तो ये 10 out of 10 है for sure.
Nice. Yeah. So how did you guys like these facts?
Yeah,
Do
please
you
let us know in the
have
comments.
Any more, dude? Do you
I'm
have
sure.
any more?
Dude, actually, you know what? It was very difficult for us to find. So if you
Yeah.
know anything personally, please let us know. It would be great.
For sure.
Yeah.
And please watch our podcast episode on Indian sitcoms. Hindi sitcoms
Hindi,
mostly.
Hindi
yeah.
sitcoms will be right here.
And please subscribe to our channel Padaku Panda.
Yes.
We make new episodes every Friday.
And small bits of content throughout the week. So subscribe, hit that bell icon so you don't miss it.